Russians chalk up another victory in the space race as they put two manned spacecraft into orbit within 24 hours of each other. Colonel Pavel Popovich and Major Andrei Nikolai follow in the footsteps of two other Russian astronauts, Titov and Gagarin, and thus give the Soviets 4 manned orbital flights against 2 for the United States. Within 72 hours, the first man aloft traveled more than 1 million miles, 4 times the distance to the moon, a distance it would take a jet airliner 2.5 months to fly. As Vostok 3 orbited, Vostok 4 followed on its heels, at one time within 75 miles, proving that a contact in outer space was possible. Tracking stations indicate that there is little doubt of the success of the Russian feat, that is seen as 2 years ahead of the U.S. effort. The Soviets made the most of the flight in their worldwide propaganda and televised pictures of the astronauts from outer space. Naturally, there was jubilation in Russia, and the crowds followed the progress of the new heroes in Red Square. Other troubles were forgotten. Happy birthday to an elder statesman. 45,000 well-wishers assemble at West Branch, Iowa for the dedication of the new Herbert Hoover Library on the former president's 88th birthday. Here, state papers and mementos of Mr. Hoover's long and fruitful career will be preserved for study by historians. The cottage where Mr. Hoover was born is a few yards from the library. It is being dedicated in ceremonies that see former President Truman joining with Mr. Hoover for the gala event. The Hoover Library, like the Eisenhower, Truman, and Roosevelt libraries, will be part of the National Archives. After receiving a warm tribute from Mr. Truman, Mr. Hoover took the occasion to ask for a council of free nations to fight communism. To climax this day of honors, Mr. Hoover receives a Distinguished Service Award from fellow engineers, and 2 universities, Missouri and Washington, confer honorary degrees. The nation pays tribute to a man who has dedicated his life to public service.